me. Fat and 51. Really unfit. I've lost my cycling mojo last year for some reason. Over summer, it was a lovely summer. I hardly rode anything, it was crazy. But such is life. Anyway, back on the bike this winter, doing the 12-week MTB Fitness program, which I'm slightly worried about, to be honest. It's going to be a bit of a shock to the system. But I should have started that this week. There's a group on Facebook, but I've got a racking cough, so I'm just going to leave it for a week or two. Well, hopefully start towards the end of this week and get going on it. Meantime, walk the trails with the dog. 2019, year of the search and recovery of the cycling mojo. I've got to set out a few objectives as part of the mountain bike fitness program. Got to make them smart, like all objectives these days. So I have to think properly about them. But lose a lot of weight, I think it's got to be the first one. Probably a combination of diet and exercise there. Get fit. I used to be heading towards being reasonably fit, so I actually want to get there this time. So we'll see how the program goes, and then turbo trainer. I did it last time, so we'll see what we can do with that. And lots and lots and lots of riding. Difficulty is when you're riding and you've got a dog, is dog needs walking every day. I need to ride pretty much every day. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get the two meshed up. He's not a very good trail dog. We'll see. I guess maybe a few early morning and late evening rides. Probably mix in a few lunchtime rides. Get back on my Friday lunchtime rides with the people from work. Get beasted every single Friday, which is quite depressing. But guys are just fitter than me. That's how it goes. Recommendation is always to ride with people who are fitter than you. We'll see. That's going to hurt. But I think the first few weeks are just going to hurt whatever. I'm going to live in a world of DOMs.